Hello friends and welcome to day 17 of the Let's Get Blitzen Cocktail Advent Calendar, where we will be preparing none other than the classic Glühwein. Yes, that's right, Glühwein. Say it with me now, all together, Glühwein. I watched a YouTube video on how to pronounce this German mulled wine about 7 times. I don't know that I've nailed it, but hopefully there are no first language German speakers watching who are going to correct my pronunciation. We're going to just assume that we just all did that correctly together, but you said it with me, right? So, I mean, we're all on the hook if we did it wrong. Right. So this is a fantastic style of mulled wine, which is very popular in Germany, typically served at Christmas markets and also in the Alsace region of France. There's also a non-alcoholic version for children called Kinderpunsch. Yeah, like kindergarten, but Kinderpunsch. Punch for the children. With it is a similarly mulled product, but non-alcoholic, I presume. But they're European, so who knows what they're actually doing over there. Today, our episode is sponsored by Somm. And in case you've been living under a rock, I am a very proud brand ambassador for Somm, which is a fantastic app that is designed to help you unlock the world of taste. Its intention is to become the Spotify of taste, and they're starting with wine. So you probably saw my fabulous reel where I walked you through how to use the recommendation engine to find the perfect pairing for whatever you're having. Whether you're having a fantastic meal and you want to find the perfect bottle of wine to pair with whatever you're serving, whether you're having a brunch or a celebration, or you're just looking to find the perfect hostess gift for whoever has the distinct pleasure of hosting you this holiday season, you need to download the Somm app. Access to the recommendation engine, which is seamlessly integrated to the LCBO inventory, is free. But if you'd like to take it a step further and treat yourself, because you're worth it, you can upgrade your membership to Somm Crew membership for just $4.99 a month and unlock a whole host of lifestyle perks that you actually want. Like we're talking about complimentary glasses of bubbly, complimentary pours of wine, discounts on luxury hotels, discounts from an exclusive array of partnered importers and wine agencies, retailers, and so much more. Pretty freaking awesome. So for $4.99 a month, if you've had a glass of wine at a restaurant recently, usually they start at like $12. So that means if you go and get one of the free perks at a restaurant like Buyers and Sellers here in Ottawa, you could be kind of cashing in for 3 months worth of membership fees. But to make matters even better, if you use my discount code, which is Taste and Tipple Crew, CRU, you'll get the first 3 months free, 100% free of Crew. But again, if you are a true enophile or an aspiring wine enthusiast, you want to learn more, you want to discover exclusive bottles that you can't get at the LCBO, you might want to upgrade even further to Somm Grand Cru, where you'll have at least three sommelier selected bottles of wine delivered to your door each month and access to pre-recorded tastings so that you can understand what you're sipping on and why it's fantastic. I was able to co-host one last month with the fantastic Svetlana from Pearl Morissette and my colleague Jordan, who is the head sommelier at the esteemed Langdon Hall and is the in-house Somm at Somm. You can also get a discount on that, 25% off your first 3 months if you use the code Taste and Tipple GC. But because it's a giving season, maybe you're not thinking about you. Maybe you're thinking about someone on your list, the food and wine lover. You can also gift Somm at their exclusive gifting website, which I will link below. Shall we make this fantastic Glühwein? Because now we've mastered the pronunciation. Whoa, knocking things over here. This is the first time my Instant Pot has been featured in an episode of Virtual Happy Hour. We're going to put the ingredients in the Instant Pot. We're going to start this all over again because the timer is running down already. Foiled by the Instant Pot. It's your first time on Virtual Happy Hour and is already trying to ruin the scene, the nerve. Nevertheless, in addition to wine, which is kind of a key component in a mulled wine recipe, we're actually using Syrah, which is particularly good in mulled wine recipes, as outlined in today's blog post. We're doing a full bottle of Syrah, and then we're going to also use some cream sherry and some Strega, which is a fantastic herbal alpine liqueur, not too dissimilar from yellow chartreuse. some orange peels and juice, and some cinnamon sticks, and just a splash of our gingerbread syrup. And we're gonna simmer that on low in our slow cooker function. Do not pressure cook this. Even if you're doing it in an Instant Pot, don't pressure cook it, because you'll just burn up all the alcohol and it'll be very sweet syrup at the end. And then that's not really what we're going for. We're trying to achieve the true experience of a Glühwein, okay? So let's go ahead and get started. Into our Instant Pot or slow cooker, full bottle of Syrah. My job is easy today. What can I tell you? Yum, yum, yum. Glug, glug, glug into the Glühwein. And then we're gonna do 12 ounces of cream sherry. There we go, just enough, naturally. 10 ounces of Strega. This is gonna balance it out. So typically, Glühwein is made and served at German Christmas markets and also in the Alsace region of France, where it is very well loved. You can see what I'm doing here. There's also a version for the kiddos. It's non-alcoholic, I presume, but it's Europe, so who knows, called Kinderpunsch. No idea if I'm saying that right. No idea. Look at this neon color of this Strega. 10 ounces of Strega in there. 3 cinnamon sticks. Voila. 1 ounce of our gingerbread syrup. But it's been quite popular for quite some time. We don't know the exact date that Glühwein was first created, but at least as early as the 15th century, because it is typically served in a vessel that looks a lot like a beer stein, but is called a tankard and has a hinged lid, and it's often made of silver or pewter. But there's a guy named Count John IV of, I'm not going to be able to pronounce this right, something, starts with a K. It's on the blog. Read the blog post, people. Dated back to 1420, and it was his tankard for his Glühwein. And it was lockable, because you gotta keep that Glühwein under lock and key. It's just that good, my friends, just that good. Anyway, so we know it's been around since at least the 15th century. So that's to say it has some real staying power. So we're doing the peels from half of our orange, because I already used some of this peel for garnish elsewhere in the calendar. We just need to make sure that we've got enough of it here. And then we're also going to juice half of this orange. This orange looks just perfect. Typically, the traditional recipe is made with wine, red wine most often. There is also a less popular version made with white wine. Cinnamon, orange peels, cloves, star anise, and sometimes vanilla beans. But also it can be served with a shot. So as you can see here, we are doing that version. We're adding some more hard alcohol, into our Glühwein. Because I think that my thinking here is that the herbal bitter nature of the Strega is going to help to balance out the sweetness that we get from reducing the Glühwein in our slow cooker or Instant Pot. So we're gonna put the lid on this. How does this go? Oh, there we go. We got it. Oh, happy sounds. Okay, we're going to cancel. And then we're going to start with the slow cooker at 1 hour, and it will begin. And then after 1 hour, it will switch naturally to keep warm so that you can serve it. It is often served as an après-ski, as I mentioned, in addition to being served at holiday markets in Germany and in Alsace. There we go, now we're just patient. We let it get up to temp. They're nice and warm, because the word Glühwein roughly translates into smoldering wine, which is the temperature it's served at, or glow wine, because you'll be glowing after having a couple glasses of Glühwein. So there you go. Now we just have to be patient. We'll circle back here in a minute, and by a minute I mean an hour, and we'll sample some of our Glühwein, why don't we? See you in a minute. I'm actually just gonna be back like in like a second because of the magic of television, but just patience. And thanks to the magic of television, we're back in hardly any time at all. It's as if no time passed. Snap of our fingers and an hour's gone by, and our mulled wine, our Glühwein, is mellowed into a fantastic, flavorful, spiced concoction that we are now ready to enjoy. Shall we? Let's take our lid off. Open. Got it. Nice and steamy. Can I see the steam? Maybe not. Probably not. It's okay. Imagine there's steam because there is. I'm just gonna take some nice, try not to get too many bits and bobs, gingerly, don't burn yourself, into your heat-proof mug. It's gonna take a second, so bear with me. This mug is very big. If we were using smaller mugs, this would go faster. I wasn't careful. There we go. It's good. Das gut. German. I'm a mess. Just need to tidy myself up. One second. We're back. I'm tidy, cleaning up my heat-proof mug. Garnish with a cinnamon stick. I'm just gonna drop it in. You can also add a star anise, some cloves if you feel like, and then we're just gonna enjoy our Glühwein. You can find all sorts of great tips also on the Somm app, recommendations on, information, insights on wine culture, the whole thing, the world of taste. It's gonna be quite warm. Oh yes. Yes, that's just the ticket. I might bring this tomorrow to my my intimate girlfriend's little holiday festivities because I think they're worth it. They've been nice all year. They're on my nice list. That's right. Well, thank you for joining me to practice our pronunciation and our preparation of Glühwein. And I will see you tomorrow for day 18, if you can believe it. That's right, we're almost there. We're almost to the end. Oh my goodness. Thank you for joining me. See you tomorrow.